Good morning, class 2 children. Now let us start English language, chapter 5, Just Imagine. One poem written by Santini Govindan. Santini Govindan is a widely published award-winning author of children's literature in English. She has written more than 50 books, including poetry, picture book, and short stories for children of all ages. She is a dog lover and art enthusiast whose hobbies include collecting bears. Now Just Imagine, written by Santini Govindan. If crocodiles had to brush their teeth the way I do every morning and night, just imagine the number of toothbrushes they would need to keep all those rows of teeth sparkling white. Just then here the poets tell that children that if crocodiles, the crocodiles' teeth are there, they are not clean, had to brush. So if you imagine the crocodiles need brush to brush their teeth, how many brushes needed? They do the way that I do every morning. The children every day they are brushing their day and morning and night they brushes their teeth like them. If crocodiles brush their teeth, so just imagine the number of toothbrushes they would need, how many toothbrushes they would need, and how long it is also to keep all those rows of teeth sparkling white. Their teeth are untidy, so make it sparkling, that means shining. So many toothbrushes needed. It is an impossible. So in imagination you can think that if elephants had to use handkerchiefs every time they sneezed or had a bad cold, just imagine how many hankies they would have to wash, iron and fold. So then thinking elephants. If elephants need handkerchief, elephants are big animal, so every time they sneeze, that is their habit. Sneeze means breathing. They takes a breath and they makes a sound their side from nose. Or had a bad cold, from their trunk they are taking breath. So we are thinking that they had bad cold, but they are sneezing and cough is coming out from their nose. That means trunk. Just imagine how many hankies they would need. Then you think, so big animal, so how many handkerchiefs they are needed. You have small nose, you need one hanky. That also for the school time you need one hanky is enough for you. Whereas elephant is big animal and from trunk they are taking their breath. So how many hankies it is needed to wash, iron and fold? If giraffes had to wear ties around their necks, that means giraffe has long neck. So in neck, if they tie their necks like I do to school every day, when the children will go to school, they wear a tie on their neck. So that child thinks that if giraffe had to wear the ties, then what will happen? Just imagine how long those ties would be. So giraffe's neck, first of all, giraffe neck is so much long. So in that long neck, how long it will be, the tie, and how they would dangle, flutter and sway. That means how they are floating on their necks, how long it is and how they are fluttering. If centipedes had to wear boots and with laces, that means with lace boots, centipedes means 6 legs, all fastened and tied up tight, that means fastened means fixed, tied or attached to something, and tied up tight. If you make it tight, just imagine what a tangle of legs they would be. Tangle means mixed up and twisted. So many legs are they have, they tied one by one. Some if they mix up, there will be one problem. If just one of those laces wasn't done up right, if one went wrong, then they will mix up, and so many legs are there, so many boots, laces are there, everything will be mixed up and a problem will arise. If children like me had wings like bird, so children, if they have wings like birds with which we could fly and soar up high, they are going up and up and up. Just imagine how many children there would be zooming about the sky. Birds are flying in the sky, they are going one corner to another corner. Suppose like the birds, if children have wings, they would also fly there, and they would go to one corner to another corner. That means how children there be zooming about the sky, there will be another problem should be there. Birds are flying, they are less, sky is so spread out so big, so they have space. For the birds, space is enough, but if all children will go like the birds to the sky, then their space will be less, and then they are zooming. Zooming means they are crossing their sky corner to corner, side by side, but where the birds will go. So let me read it again. Just imagine, written by Shantini Govindan. You also read it like me. If crocodiles had to brush their teeth the way I do every morning and night, just imagine the number of toothbrushes they would need to keep all those rows of teeth sparkling white. If elephants had to use handkerchiefs every time they sneezed or had a bad cold, just imagine how many hankies they would have to wash and iron and fold. If giraffes had to wear ties around their necks like I do to school every day, just imagine how long those ties would be and how they would dangle, flutter and sway. If centipedes had to wear boots with laces all fastened and tied tight, just imagine what a tangle of legs there would be if just one of those laces wasn't done up right. If the children like me had wings like birds with which we could fly and soar up high, just imagine how many children there would be zooming about in the sky. Okay, learn it. Thank you.